Please start.
Okay.
I start?
So I'll start first. I'll
Okay.
introduce you with the participants.
Okay.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. I again welcome you in the second lecture of this morning session. For this lecture, we have with us Dr. Y.S. Jadun sir, who is presently working as Associate Professor and Head in the Department of Dairy Extension Education, Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Dairy Technology at Bihar Animal Sciences University, Patna. So I welcome you, sir, and on the behalf of whole organizing team, I thank you for accepting our invitation. So before you deliver your lecture, I would like to introduce you among our participants. So dear participant, Dr. Yadun has served approximately 9 years as assistant professor in veterinary extension at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Ludhiana, and is regularly involved in teaching, research, and extension activities. He has guided 5 MVSC students as major advisor and 5 MVSC as co-advisor and 1 PhD as co-advisor. He has published 50 research and review papers, 20 chapters in book compendium, 80 extension articles, folders, bulletin, 1 authored book, 15 edited training manuals, 2 UG practical manuals, 1 mobile app in pig farming, and 2 video tutorials for UG teaching. He has contributed in development of massive open online course, that is MOOCs, on pig farming, and has organized more than 50 animal welfare camps, field days, exposure visits, about 45 scientist farmer interactions, and 20 frontline demonstration and on-farm trials. He has presented 25 numbers of research papers, invited lectures, posters in seminars, conferences, symposia, and 6 best oral presentation awards, 3 best thesis awards in his students, and best research paper award by Society for Technology, Environment, Science and People. And he got Young Scientist Award twice and Young Achiever Award, Plaque and Citation for year 2018, Excellence in Extension Award 2020, Scientist of the Year Award 2021, and many more. So he has also been awarded as a membership for National Academy of Veterinary Sciences, New Delhi, and he is regularly involved in UG and PG teaching. And he has organized many Kisan Melas, about 20 numbers, has also organized many conferences and KVKs, and he has been nominated as member of various committees, around more than 100. And he has also worked as principal investigator in ICR-funded Farmer First project and COPIA in Punjab State Council for Science and Technology, and COPI as recognition of print learning project on skill registry for dairy farmers. So he remained coordinators in more than 135 number training programs and many more. So he has regularly been involved in farmer consultancy advisory services and appointed as nodal officer of KVK portal and Mera Gaon Mera Gaurav scheme of ICR. He's also awarded University of Guest House, and he has uh, he has organized tremendous types of demonstrations, kvk demonstrations, and at every platform he has worked hard. So I welcome you again, sir, and now I request you to please deliver your lecture, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm audible, na? Hello?
Yes, sir, please go ahead, sir.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thanks to the organizers of this 21 days winter school on recent advances in veterinary sciences and animal husbandry, who give me the opportunities to deliver the expert lecture in front of large group of intellectuals from all the nook and corners of the country. The organizers choose the very important theme of this 21 days winter schools, that is recent advances in veterinary sciences and animal husbandry, which is the need of our for the fraternity working in the animal husbandry sectors in various animal husbandry related institutions, organizations, veterinary universities, as well as for the livestock farming community of the country. So the topic on which I am going to deliver the lecture, that is on ICT application in livestock farming. Although I'm not the ICT experts here, I will just touch some of the important initiatives or applications used in the livestock farming. Although there are many such applications and tools developed for the livestock farming community, I just touched a few of them. So you are also somewhat aware about these applications. I will just refresh your memory about these ICT applications. I just start very basic, the definition. What is the definition or meaning of this information communication technology? So ICT is, we can say that in broader term for the information technology, which refers to all the communication technology, including internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, softwares, video conferencing, teleconferencing, social networking, and other media applications and services involving users to access, retrieve, store, and transmit and manipulate the information in a digital form. So here I will discuss some of the ICT application initiatives developed by or started by various organizations or institutes, we can say that, for the welfare of the livestock farming community. As we should know about them to further tell our end users, that is livestock farmers, so that they can use them for enhancing the productive and reproductive performance of their animals in terms of quality. We can say that quality milk production, meat and egg and fish productions, and can get maximum benefit by using these type of ICT applications and tools at every step of the livestock value chain. That is from the procurement of the different types of inputs for the livestock to supply the final or finished products to the consumers. So here I will discuss one by one. So before starting ICT initiatives, I want to discuss what are the various advantages, or we can say that strength of this ICT applications for the farming community. So it is very useful. What useful, or we can say that there are many advantages by using this type of ICT techniques, or we can say the applications or tools. The farmers can easily assess the existing market informations, or we can say the real time information at any time. That the consumer get the quality livestock produce, milk, meat, fish at their choice. It helps in combating the middleman services also, so they can earn more and more profit by use of this type of technology. They can get expert help at any time, 24 into 7. They can connect anywhere in India or abroad at any time, and they can get the expert help. They can contact any organization, any institutes, any veterinary organizations, or we can say Kisan call centers. There are so many call centers, information centers, ethics. They are working in different universities, different ICR institutes, so they can get immediate help. Then they can also, by using this, they can save the money and time also. It is continuous availability. They can contact any time by using their internet services on their mobile phones. It can cut this type of diffusion process also. If we want to popular our technology, any livestock produce, any innovations, farmers innovations, so we can easily diffuse in the social system, or we can say that abroad in the different farming communities, different types of consumers, different type of stakeholders. So diffusion process is very fast by using different social media tools, like we can say for Facebook page, WhatsApp group, or so many more things. We can diffuse that particular technology in a faster way, and then it is information rich and interactive. So it's a very good advantage of by using of this technology. It is instant international reach. We can contact anywhere in the world by using this type of technology. So I will discuss one by one about these important initiatives. Although I am not cover, there are so many initiatives. I have just covered important ones. The first one is MS Swaminathan Research Foundations. So this offers the mobile information services model for the fishermen in the form of village knowledge centers of MSSRF in the Pondicherry. It has launched a project sponsored by the NABARD for dissemination of information in the form of text, voice mails through the mobile network to the registered farmers. Farmers can go to the website of this MS Swaminathan, MSSRF. They can register themselves. They can get the regular advisories and services related with the fish production. The next one is Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative, that is IFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, IKSL. This IKSL has introduced a green SIM card which offers the product and services related to the agri and elite sector or livestock sector, specifically designed for the farmers through IFCO societies in villages across the countries. So farmers, by getting this type of SIM in their mobiles, they can get the regular advisories and services related to the agriculture and animal husbandry. So this is also important initiatives. The next one is Kisan. It is an innovative project implemented in the Kerala. Kisan provides the SMS, voice and video-based services to the farmers. It also provides the SMS-based information on the availability of the for the livestock farms to inform the farmers about the availability of various livestock and their breeds across the states through their mobile phones. So they can contact many progressive farmers, many other we can say that commercial farms. They can purchase the good quality of breed across the country by using this type of services. The next one is Kisan Call Center. Everyone knows about this and everyone heard about this, but many farmers are does not know about this services, this type of toll-free numbers. So it's our responsibility to tell them that this is the facility for you. You can contact with the experts by using this KCC, Kisan Call Centers. It is having one toll-free number, that is 1800 1830 1551. This is the important number for the farmers anywhere in the country to access the information on agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, dairy, any related informations. So these KCCs are working in different locations of the country, in almost all these states of the countries. So reply to the farmers' queries are given in 22 languages in their local dialect also. So call center services are available from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. On all the 7 days of the weeks at each KCC locations. It is having three levels at KCC centers. At level 1, there is agriculture or veterinary graduates are there. They can give your reply of your queries. If they are unable to reply your queries, your call will be transferred to the second level, where the subject matter specialist, research station, ethics, KVKs are various colleges of SAUs are connected with this second levels. If queries are not applied as first level, then it will be replied by the second level. And it will, if it is not applied by the second level, it will be transferred to the level 3rd, where the specialists are available within the states or outside the state at the nodal cell. So your query will be answered by the third step, or third, the expert available at the level 3rd. So the Kisan Knowledge Management System is there at KCC to facilitate the correct, consistent, and quick replies to the queries of the farmers and capture all the details of their calls, and which has been developed. Kisan Knowledge Management System has it is having independent website, so one can ask the queries by using this website. So it's our responsibility also as a subject matter specialist, or we can say that as an extension worker, to tell the farmers about this type of services for the farmers. So this at this KKMS, the Kisan Call Center agents working at various KCC locations throughout the country and have the access to this website through their specific IDs and passwords provided to them. So this is also one of the important initiatives. The next one is Varna Wide Village Project. This service is currently active mostly in Maharashtra, providing services to the many villages in the Maharashtra state. It aims at setting up the various booths with the computers which would be connected via internet. Hence, the farmers could access the information related to the agriculture or livestock sector enterprises at their village level, etc. The next one is iKisan project. It is started by the Nagarjuna group of companies, the technical center at village level, to diagnose and analyze the advice about the various diseases and the pest. Online chat among the farmers communities, between the farmers and the experts. It also provides information about agriculture equipments and other inputs related with the agriculture and elite fields. It also provides the information on the poultry, animal husbandry related information, market information, crop related informations. So at their village level. The next one is the Gyan project. It is started in the Madhya Pradesh state. It is low cost, self sustainable rural internet project. The main objective of this project is to improve the governance at village, block, and district levels. So its main focus is overall rural development, not only the specifically livestock and agriculture sectors. So it's provided the different information to the farming community at village level, like prices of the agricultural product, online provision of the land records, different experts helps they can by using this type of facilities at village level. Then the next initiative is benefits for the farmers started by the NDDB. That is, it is ICT using relatively simple technology, that is computerized weighing machines and online milk tester to measure the milk fat and prompt payment to the farmers. So it has resulted in the removal of those who adulterate the milk, reduce the time of payments from 10 days to less than 5 minutes, and build the confidence of the farming community on the cooperatives. So it is also online system. The farmer can sell their milk, then test their milk online and get the immediate payment of their milk or any related products. Next one is ERP. That is, it is started by Sugna Poultry. It uses this Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning Software database system to enable its field agents or to input the data via websites on its contact grower operations, like number of chicks delivered, feed delivered, mortality rates, and price paid. So everything is available related with the this poultry venture. Then IT in cooperative dairy. The farmer-owned Amul cooperative in Anand, Gujarat has become the model for all the dairy development projects in India. Under this project, more than 5,000 milk collection centers or kiosks has been installed in the Anand district of the Gujarat. Farmers are the main beneficiary of these projects. Women take the milk to weigh the which fat quantity assessed and payment immediately calculated. So this is also one of the important initiatives of Amul cooperative in Gujarat, Anand district of Gujarat. So, what are the benefits of this projects? There are so many advantages by using this type of platform. It provides the accurate information about the fat content, quantity of milk. Payment to the farmers is displayed on the screens. Immediate payment for the milk delivered. Accuracy in weighing the milk on milk weighing system. Immediate testing of the quality of the milk as against the testing after 2 or 3 hours of the collections. The card reader unit ensures the speedy operations, error-free entry, identification numbers of the for the farmers. Middlemen have been effectively sidelined. So this is also one of the important initiatives for the farmers. Uh, the next one is Akash Ganga. Sri Kamdenu Enterprises Private Limited developed an IT-enabled automatic milk collection centers in the brand name of Akash Ganga. This system incorporates an electronic weighing system, a milk analyzer to test the milk quality, a personal computer, accounting, the management software, covers all the functionality of the local dairy cooperative society. So this is also important initiatives. The next one is touch screen information kiosk. It is started by Rajiv Gandhi College of Veterinary Animal Sciences at Pondicherry, designed a touch screen information kiosk to provide or access the farmers on dairy cattle management information about the dairy cattle management. The information kiosk was tested in the different veterinary dispensaries in the states. It helps in preventing the diseases and improving the health of the animals, saving the time, labor, and money of the cattle owners. So cattle owners can easily access this type of information kiosk and get the real-time information related with their cattle or the livestock. Then computerized dairy farm management. This is a commercial dairy farm in the Maharashtra uses the microchip and muzzle prints for the identifiers of the livestock of the buffalo or the different types of animals. The electronic identification is applied in the following areas. Like first one is feeding. The farm has unique feeding system that feeds the buffaloes correctly. By using this type of system, the buffalo can never eat more than a certain programmed portion of the daily ration at one time. So overfeeding can be checked by using this type of technology or software. Next, use in the milking. When the buffalo enters in the milking parlor, a warning lamp is lights up. If the buffalo is not milked, if the milk is not directed to the tank, or if the buffalo does not yield as expected, the lighting then it can indicate to that particular dairy owner, dairy farmers, what is the problem. So he can easily check out that particular problem. Next one is can also be used for the breeding purpose. This contains the information on the genetic stock of the animals and all the aspect related to the animal rearing, such as pregnancies, vaccinations, disease, then artificial insemination. Every record is maintained by using this type of microchip. The next one is a national animal disease reporting system. It is being implemented by Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fishery in Government of India. About 143 animal disease scheduled in the prevention and control of the infectious and contagious diseases in the animal are included in this reporting system. So this system will enable the veterinary authorities or veterinary doctors to closely monitor the control and eradicate the various types of this type of enlisted 140 diseases by using this type of system. The next one is Dairy Information System Kiosk. The IIM and the Ahmedabad has developed this type of software, which provides more functions at the milk collection centers. The disk database includes the complete history of all the milk cattle owned by the particular farmer or farming community at their village level. The basic details of the breed and history of the diseases, vaccinations, artificial inseminations, pregnancies are maintained in the system. So it is being used in the milk collection centers in cooperative to measure the quality of the milk, including butter, fat, promptly make the payment to the farmers. So this is also one of the important initiatives. Next one is India Development Gateway. It is also one of the ICT initiative. It has come up with a portal providing the information and services in 9 languages across the 6 domains, including livestock developments. It harnesses the power of ICT to reach out the marginalized and neglected community of the country. So it is executed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Hyderabad. The next one is goat management. The goat management, the CIRG, that is Central Institute of Research on Goat. This is ICR instituted. ICR Institute initiated the email conferencing system for the goats using free software called we can say that Mazardomo. So by using this type of software, farmer can get the informations related with the goat farming practices, and uh, uh, and it has been launched by the institutes to help the information inflow between the technologists, farmers, development officers, different planners to plan and implement the various activities related with the goat farming. The next one is animal health information system. There are two interactive softwares for the veterinarians and the stockmans called Animal Health Information System in English, and another one is in different language, that is in Marathi, that is Animal Information System for the dairy animals. It is developed by the IVR, Indian Veterinary Research Institutes, for the animal health management, particularly for the diagnosis of various kind of diseases. So by using this, farmer can diagnose the various types of diseases. The next one is Make Feed. It is feeding management software. So with the help of computer-based software such as Make Feed, the farmer can formulate balanced feed for the layers, broilers, chickens, quails, guinea fowls, according to their physiological conditions with the available resources. Whatsoever available feed resources are there to the farmers, he can accordingly make the feed by using this type of software. This is developed by the Central Avian Research Institutes for the farming community. It provides the information on nutritive values for the wide range of feed ingredients along with the maximum inclusion level of the each ingredients. So it is user friendly, and persons having little computer knowledge can utilize very effective in this software in an effective way. By using this software, he can plan their feed for the different categories of the poultry. The next one is information system on animal genetic resources. So this is developed by ICR Institute, that is National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources. It has developed the software package entitled Information System on Animal Genetic Resources of India. So it is a database system that can store the information on different breeds of domesticated animals, poultry, list of the livestock farms, semen banks, breeding tracts, and related literatures. One can go on the website of this NBAGR and get all the information related to the different types of breeds of different states at one platform. So it is also one of the important software. The next one is computer program for identification of eggs and larvae in the parasites. So the Veterinary Parasitology Division of the ICR Research Complex on Northeastern Hill Station at Meghalaya developed the computer software package to facilitate the diagnosis of the oocyst, eggs, larvae of different parasites of the livestock and human beings. So it is also one of the important ICT applications for the farmers. The next software, or we can say the ICT application developed by the National Center of Integrated Waste Management, has developed the nematode management information system software for the identification and management of different types of nematodes, parasites of the animals. So farmer, this is also the user-friendly software, which includes the information about identification, symptoms, different types of pictures, management of each, how we can manage the nematodal diseases. So this is also one of the important software for the farming community. The next one is eVet project. eVet, it is started by Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of Madhya Pradesh. The eVet project aims at using the ICT application to provide the doorstep veterinary services. Doorstep veterinary services to the livestock rearers in the rural areas. So the services include online consultation and referral for the livestock ailments, diseases, information on the prices of the livestock and the livestock products at different markets, and generating reports for the monitoring purpose. So under this eVet project, the trained AVFOs means the veterinary inspectors, we can say that compounders, we can say. So assistant veterinary field officers and GOSEVAC will be equipped with netbook and mobile phones with camera, and will visit the designated villages to collect the information and report the livestock health problems and symptoms through web-enabled software to the veterinarians at the block and district level veterinary centers. So what happens? Veterinarians at these centers will review the information submitted by the AVFOs or the Go Sevak and upload the prescriptions online. So by using this type of information uploaded by provided by the AVFOs, the veterinary doctors see that prescription, the what is the problems, what is the disease, and they can prescribe the treatment, and then they can upload this type of information online. In addition, there will be a provision of to upload the photographs of the sick, injured animals to enable the better understanding of the ailment by the veterinarian. So it is also there is a facility to upload the some video of their animals. What is the exact disease? So veterinarians can see the live video, and you can easily check and search and provide the immediate solutions to that particular farmer. In the series, the next one is Pasu Aadhar, a scheme to digitalize the animal health. The Pasu Aadhar system was introduced in the 2019 to cover India's 94 million strong in milk, cow, and buffalo populations. So it is just like Aadhar card. Just we are having the Aadhar card. So Pasu Aadhar will also assign the 12-digit unique identification number to each animals, along with the owner's details and the related data that will help in managing the country's vast livestock resources. So this Pasu Aadhar is also known as Information Network for Animal Productivity and Health. It is being developed by NDDB, National Dairy Development Board. It will contain the data on bovine species, breed, pedigree information related to the calving, milk production, vaccination, reproduction, different types of data. And it's also helping traceability of the livestock, and will help the farmers and animal husbandry officials to devise the better strategies to manage the livestock in the country. So this Pasu Aadhar is considered to be the world's largest existing database of the animals. So the farmers can easily register on this INAPH portal and go in the animal registrations for they can apply for this for getting this Pasu Aadhar. So this is the procedure. You can go on the website directly and get the information from this. So there are so apart from this initiatives or application, there are so many web portals of every university, every institutes, ICR, veterinary universities, ICR institutes. So there are so many information are uploaded on the websites. So farmer can directly go in different websites of the different organizations, different animal husbandry department of these states, different veterinary institutes, ICR institutes, and get the real-time information, different articles, different latest information about the animal welfare camps related with the Pasupalan Mela, Dairy Mela. So many information are uploaded by the universities, ICR institutes. So this is also one of the important ICT, we can say that tools. There are so many applications, or we can say that mobile apps are developed by various institutes. Like you can see in this slide, e-Pasupalan portal. You can directly go to this e-Pasupalan portal. Those who want to get the training programs, those who want to get the trainings related to the livestock, poultry, fisheries, they can directly register, or they can fill the forms and they can take the training programs at different institutes or organizations. Apart from this, there are so many YouTube channels of the experts of different institutes also, like Gadwasu, Bihar Animal Science University. There are so many videos of the experts are uploaded on the YouTube channels. So they can directly related to the feeding, breeding, healthcare, and management aspects. The farmers or livestock farming community can directly search by going into the YouTubes and they can search if you want to take the information on the feedings practices. If they want to start the new, we can say that new dairy farm, poultry farms. So every type of video are available on the YouTube channels. So this is also one of the important ICT initiatives. There are so many telephone helpline numbers of particular institutes. There are mobile consultancy also provided by the institutes. Green SIMs also provided by the different companies, different Pasupalik Teleadvisory Kendra, or we can say that ATIC information, agriculture technology information centers, helpline centers are equipped. Every institute's livestock related or agricultural institute are equipped with all these helpline numbers. They can directly search the website and get the informations, and they can directly call on that particular number in that particular store. And they can get the information in their local dialects by using these type of services. So you can see different mobile applications are also developed for the farming community. Like you can see, I have some screenshots, some of the applications, mobile applications like precision dairy farming, dairy pregnant, pig farming, goat farming, many more. Many more mobile applications are developed by various organizations, various veterinary institutes, various ICR deemed universities. So farmer can directly go to the Google Play Store. It is freely available. So they can get each and every information by using this type of mobile applications. Different video CDs. So these are different Facebook pages of the different institutes, organizations, Twitter accounts, WhatsApp groups, radio talk. Their recordings of the radio talks are also available on the university or ICR websites, TV talks, Green Sips YouTube channels. So they can directly go to the website and can avail this type of facilities of the experts. Apart from this, there are so many more ICT applications. I'm not, if I will take it, it will take whole the day. I have covered the important ones. Apart from this, one step advanced, that now the era of artificial intelligence. So I've covered up some of the important ICT, this artificial intelligence applications also in the livestock sector, just to refresh the memory. So what is this ICT, this artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means to making the computers that can think like the humans, or we can say that the automation of the activities we associate with the human thinking, like decision making, learning, the art of creating machines that perform the functions that requires the intelligence when performed by the people. So artificial intelligence is the form of computational science that involves the creations of the machines that can replicate the human thinking. So you can see in these slides, this by using this AI technologies, it thinks the system that thinks like the humans, the system that thinks the rationally, that is logical thoughts rather than emotional. We are emotional, but the system is not emotional. It will give you the accurate answer of your particular problem, but it acts like humans. So you see this slide, the sector-wise breakup of uses of the artificial intelligence in India. You see the different sector-wise informations. Majority it is used by the banking and finance systems, transportation systems, manufacturing systems, healthcare systems. But in agriculture, it is using very less. And in abroad or different foreign countries, it is using routinely. But in our country, it is in initial stage. So many sectors it is already using. We are adopting slowly and slowly, and definitely, in coming days, we will adopt this type of technology and can get more and more benefits by using this type of technologies. So, over the past decades, AI has become the indispensable part of the medical science. In the medical science, different by using different tests or we can say technologies, the medical science is using this type of this intelligent technique in our country also. So, one of the key collaborations between artificial intelligence and the medicine has been in the field of diagnostic. In the diagnosis, it is very much using in case of diagnostics. So where diagnosing an illness would take so many days. AI programs can now diagnose disease automatically through the data analysis. As a result, diagnostics are much cheaper, faster, and easier by use of this type of technologies. So it is also being used in the form of clinical decision-making programs that recognize the patterns of medical complications. The information thus collected, it is also analyzed by the AI tools to help the farmers or to create the personalized medications. AI-centric programs are also play a key role in the field of drug discoveries as it is able to card through the different data, and that is too complex for the humans. So by using this type of technology, it is very easily available. We can get any type of data by using this type of technology in the veterinary science also. So in similar ways, AI is also shaping itself to becoming a uh, indispensable part of the field of the veterinary science also. We are also start using this type of technology in the different diagnostic applications. So generating and leveraging the useful information through AI, it will help the farmers to manage their livestock efficiently with a minimum supervisions. So there are so many applications I will discuss one by one. It is used in the automated milking also in foreign countries, precision livestock farming services. This AI service is also used in health monitoring services, in detection of estrus of the dairy animals, to deliver the vaccine services. And it is also used in the food supply chains, from input delivery to the ultimate consumers. It also used for the data collections. It also used in the improvement of the feed qualities, using the facial, also using the facial recognition system, used as a diagnostic tool. We have already discussed imaging tools. It is also used in the pet trackers and pet cameras, dog walking, in the small feeders, pet foods, alleviates efforts, different sleep pattern. We can also note it down by using this type of technology. It enhance our thinking process. It also used in the training of different types of stakeholders. Uh, Also in automations, data analysis. So there are so many uses of this type of technology nowadays. It also used in the different types of training models to detect the nutritional deficiency in the chicks. It also used in the detect the avian influenza, behavioral diseases like cannibalism. We can detect by using this type of AI technologies. It also used in the research developments in the veterinary sciences, in the predictions or in the forecast. We can use this type of technologies. So you can see in the figures that the applications of the in the livestock health, you can see these are the applications of the AI in the different robotics are working. The controlled equine imaging system, canine patient stimulator, thermal imaging camera, disease diagnosis, use of robotics in reconstructive surgery, anti-stress ear tag for the cattle, quick respiratory disease packages in the form of this AI, automated feed manager for the feeding of the dairy animals, 3D cameras, robocams for the poultry to record the different types of activities of the poultry in their poultry sites, virtual fencing, AI-based hydroponic systems. So different expert systems are using this type of technologies. Smart collars for the detecting the fertility in dairy animals, face recognition system, cow gait analyzers. We can analyze by analyzing the gait of the cow. We can recognize the health status of that particular animal also. So, intelligent dairy assistant procedures, smart pedometers, so automated milking booth, milking robots, automated milk cooling systems, robotic height pullers, robotic carcass splitter, smart packagings, robofish. So these are the many AI-based applications one should know. We should know. Then we can tell our the end users what is the use of this type of technology, how they can get maximum benefits by using this type of technology. You can see this slide. This is the first humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia was activated on February 14, 2016. In October 2017, the robot became a Saudi Arabian citizen, the first robot to receive the citizenships of any country. So this is the miracle of this by using this type of we can say that artificial inseminations in the human science, or we can say the veterinary science in different applications. So finally, the concluding points about this ICT applications and AI applications. The integration of various ICT applications in the livestock farming holds the tremendous potential for transferring the livestock farming practices, improving the productivity, and ensuring the sustainable production performance and profit maximization of the farming communities. And AI has also emerged as a tool that empowers the farmers in monitoring, forecasting, optimizing the farm animal growth, tackling the parasites, biosecurity, different disease diagnosis, monitoring farm animal along with the farm managements are some of the thrust areas in the livestock industry where the use of AI technology can play a rich or major role. So thank you very much. If you are having any query, you are most welcome.
Thank you very much, sir, for a very informative talk. So now it's time to take the queries. So I request all the participants to kindly either write in the chat box or you may directly ask Dr. Jadun. So there is one question in the chat box, that is there any authenticated software for feed formulation in livestock, like make feed in poultry?
Okay. Like made feed, we have developed our university, Bihar Animal Sciences University, has developed one mobile application that is not released now. That is under process. It will be released very shortly. So one can easily, by putting the information uh, of the available resources of the feed, one can formulate the particular feed for the particular animal. So apart from make feed, I just know one that is under process.
Okay, sir. So any disease diagnosis software in animal disease?
As I already discussed that IVRI in the initial slides, Animal Health Information System. By putting the informations related with the your animals, if he is suffering from any disease, he can put into that software. Suppose he is suffering from the mastitis, he can related with the mastitis, at what stage, or he can upload the pictures uh, in that particular software, animal health information system. He can get the information directly by using this type of. In the animal science, there are so many software, or we can say so many kiosk or applications developed by various institutes, various organizations. One can directly go to that particular software of the IVRI or other institutes. They can put the information and get the information by using this type of information kiosk services.
So next question is there any disease okay, that has been covered. Any ICT for disease forecasting in livestock?
There are many AI applications. Have I already discussed? Different robo cameras for diagnosis of symptoms, or you can say that say of the pregnancy of the animals, or you can say that different symptoms of the estrus. So by using this AI techniques, it is not popular in our country. There are many progressive farmers. They are planning to start. I communicate so using this technology. But in the countries come at on the real ground, or we can say that at field.
Okay, sir. Sir, one other question by Dr. Alu, that the apps you have discussed that are available in English language, are they available in other languages?
Yes, all these apps, so many apps are available in English, Hindi, Punjabi. I am before joining this institute, I am working at the Gadwa. So we have also developed 4 and 5 applications. They are available in Hindi as well as in Punjabi as well as in English, and also so many applications are also available. You just put in that Google Play Store that pig farming in Hindi, mobile app pig farming in Hindi. You can get. Similarly, in post for the poultry, for the dairy, you can get. So many applications are available. Mobile applications are available on the Google Play Store, or these are free of cost.
Thank you, sir. Is there any software or AI technology for early pregnancy diagnosis of bovines?
Uh, it is not there in my knowledge. It may be, but I am unaware about this. There are so many applications, but in India, I think it is not generally used for the pregnancy diagnosis.
Okay. So that is all, sir.
Thank
We do
you.
not have any further question. So I once again thank you very much, sir. for sparing time, and thank you again.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank
thank you very much.